sauce category is really the foundation of cooking, right? This is a mother sauce. Anybody know, can mention a couple of variations of hollandaise sauce? Bernaise. What was the other one? Pernod.
Oil.
Maltese. There's about 12 different variations from that.
And those are all listed in this information. So it's not just for easy reading. It's kind of screen through it, see what fits for a customer you might have, and you're able to make it up and do it as a demo.
Yeah, so this is, foundational cooking in the kitchen. These are things that require an enormous amount of labor. 15, 16, 17 ingredients, many different steps. Also, the safety feature of these products as well. As DHS or the local health department, they come into a kitchen. If you serve hollandaise sauce, this is the very first thing that they're going to come to and put their thermometer in it. This product can be held at 140 degrees, 160 degrees, and it will not break or separate. It can stay in the bain-marie for extended periods of time. Great solution for customers.
It's a common sense thing with your operators. If they're using hollandaise intermittently, they want to keep a pint aside. If they're not using it that often, it can be easily microwaved. If it's in prime time, a quart is usually enough to get through some of your driving practices. So it is versatile, but you want to handle it properly, okay? So we have our whisk and serve Alfredo that I flavored with our lobster base and a little bit of your clam base, just to give it a sweetness and a little bit of that shellfish note. Everybody eats the shrimp and the sausage, and then there's pasta. So we want the flavor to go through the sauce, through the pasta. So from the top of the bowl to the bottom of the bowl, you've got flavor. A little bit of parsley, a little bit of green onion, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese.
See, this is where you become the consultant with your operators. You're saying, hey, this is a great way for you to control your portion costs. You're combining it all the way through. You're developing that whole flavor component all the way through. They're eating the whole thing and they're going, their customers eating the whole thing and they're going, that was good. I'm satisfied. I like that.
And we're done. I'm just going to let that simmer for a minute, let that cream, and the Alfredo pull together, and we're done. And what's nice about the whisk and serve Alfredo, it has a great Parmesan cheese flavor. You're only making it with water, so your cost is lower. If you want to add a little more dairy fat, you could use half milk and half water. It'll be fine. The mix will take it up. But when you're adding other flavors and you're not doing just Alfredo alone, it's an ideal product to use because of your lower cost. It's half the cost of the frozen. And we're done, and that's it. We're just going to portion it out here, and this is just how it's going to look, I think, at lunchtime, okay?
We hope.
We hope. Yeah, we standardized it so it will be.
So think, catering, think ways that, that your operators can, incorporate this in their menu concepts, their specials.